Our students and families at Oak Heights Elementary deserve to have a space where they can learn and grow, but a space that is safe, that is updated, that matches the world that they're trying to be a part of and learn and grow in, spaces that allow them to do all the type of learning that they want to be able to do. We have a school that has over 600 kids. It was not made for 600 kids. So we have upwards of sometimes 180 kids in portables that are entering into the school to use one bathroom. There's a lot of little things that have to do with your capacity issues that impact just the learning experience for all kids. We have one gym. We don't have a commons or a cafeteria. We can't run PE when kids are eating in there for breakfast or lunch. So all of our schedule is based on what's happening in these common spaces. Storage spaces are now teaching spaces. Every nook and cranny is being used to serve students. We have teachers that double up. There's 3 of them in a room, and we have lots of partitions, and our special ed teachers are sharing rooms, which creates all kinds of challenges when it comes to noise and distractibility. This is a building built for the past, not for the future.